Welcome to today's video. So I've got an absolutely awesome method in this video if I say so myself. This method is great for making money online and from home because you are giving something of value away completely for free, and you can do this whole method from absolutely anywhere in the world. It won't cost you any money, and you don't need any skills or experience to get started with this. So look, if you find the video useful, please give it a like. If you've got any questions, leave them down below. And look, if you want more resources, free resources for earning online and from home, you can come over to my website. It's called Not Taught at School. If you click on courses, we've got free courses and we have got a members area too. So let me share with you this over here. Now this is called ClickFunnels. Now many people believe you actually have to be a member of ClickFunnels to join their affiliate program. You don't have to be. Now I'll drop a link to this down below for you so you can go ahead and check this out yourself. But if I scroll down here, you can see these are the opportunities over on ClickFunnels. Okay, now I'm not telling you to start trying to promote everything inside of here. I'm just going to share with you some additional tools and resources that they have which are free, so it's awesome. So going ahead, if you click that link down below, it will take you over to this page here where you can create an account completely for free. The other cool thing they will give you is they give you 5 ways to be an awesome ethical ClickFunnels affiliate. It's an ebook, it's free. But come down here, they also have the Facebook group and they even have their own affiliate bootcamp summit. And again, they're free, right? But what I want to share with you is the different products which you can basically share and earn money from. And it's pretty awesome. So inside of ClickFunnels, by the way, if you don't know what ClickFunnels is, it's a piece of software which can create a sales funnel. But inside of this software over here, they have physical products, they have digital products, they have webinars, lots of stuff. And you can see here are some examples. So you can promote this book. If I scroll down here, you can promote this product over here, this one, this one, this one. There's lots of things. Look, you can see on here, look, promote the free summit, and you can earn $100 for every person who upgrades. But let me log in and show you some actual examples of this. So inside of ClickFunnels, this is inside of my account. You see all of these products here. You can promote any one of these, i.e. share them. Now at this moment in time, I was just scrolling through these and having a look, and I looked at this one over here, the Brick and Mortar Summit 5-day lead challenge, and look, there's lots more inside of here. You can see all of these ones here. But if you just click on this one, where's it gone? This one here, Brick and Mortar Summit, as an example. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Okay, so this is the summit, and you can earn $100 for every person who enrolls in the One Funnel Away challenge after they go through this free summit. Okay, and basically they go through this, it's absolutely free, and then at the end of it they get offered the upsell to go through the One Funnel Away challenge, which costs $100. And guess what? You earn all of it, 100% of this. But if I scroll down, I'll show you this here. So look, they give you tools. So look, Facebook posts you can share, promote. And this is the image, or the headline if you want to call it that. Discover how small business owners like you are using simple online sales funnels to fill their businesses with their dream customers. Now at this moment in time, with everything that's going on in this crazy world, the cost of living, is going up through the roof. Businesses are failing all of the time. So do you think they would be interested in a free resource like this to go through this and have a look and potentially start getting more customers into their business? Absolutely, it's free. You can also share this. Well, again, we've got Instagram on here, we've even got email, copy, and lots more. So as an example with this one over here is you could sign up as an affiliate for ClickFunnels, and you could literally spend some time and effort messaging pages over on Facebook. It sounds ridiculous, but it absolutely works. You can go ahead and search for restaurants, bars, plumbers, absolutely any profession you can think of on Facebook, and you can literally send that page a message like, you can use this. You can use this over here. Basically, they're giving you this to use. So you can message these pages and say, would you like this? It's absolutely free, etc. If they go ahead and sign up and go through this, you've got potential of earning $100. That's just one thing that you can use inside of this ClickFunnels account. But again, it's free. In terms of work and effort on your behalf, what will you have to do? You'd have to sign up to become an affiliate, and then you get your link up here, this one here, and then you can start messaging pages over on Facebook. You can also literally email them. So you can go ahead and look at, local business directories within your area and email them with this here, which is, again, it's absolutely free. So, it won't take much of their time to have a look and go through this. We also have 5-day lead challenge. So again, any one of these, you can click on them and go ahead and have a look, and it will tell you about them. So this one over here, this is, look, scroll down here, you've got images, posts and other things. But look, take the 5-day lead challenge for free. So people want more leads into their business, they can go through this. Again, it's free, but if they sign up to the upsell at the end, you can earn a commission. And there's lots more tools and resources inside of this piece of software. I mean, there's even books. So look, .com secrets. Let me show you this one really quickly. Now, this did used to be free, and the customer just had to pay shipping, and you can earn money from that. So this is the new version. Let's have a look. Scroll down. So the book is $9.95. You earn $1. And then look at this. This here is known as a sales funnel. So basically, you're promoting the front end product, which is a book. I'm sure it's still free. Let's have a look. Oh look, yeah, so get your free book. So you're recommending and sharing a free book. Somebody pays shipping, which is this over here, this $9, and for that you earn $1. But inside of this sales funnel here, they have these additional products which somebody can buy. And guess what? You can see along the bottom here, you can earn this amount here, this. And if someone bought the whole funnel, you could potentially earn $311 for promoting a free book. And by the way, this book is absolutely awesome. I've got this book here, actually. Here. Oh no, that's .com. I've got Traffic Secrets. But again, that is another product inside of this ClickFunnels software down here. It's somewhere. Where is it? .com, Secrets, Old Book, Expert Secrets. There's a number of these, and we can see down here, look, perfect webinar. We've got affiliate panels. We have got lots of stuff inside of here. You can even give away trials to this software completely for free, and if somebody signs up, you can also earn money. I'm trying to find this one, Traffic Secret book. This is the one, so let's have a look at the sales funnel for this. So we'll go in and have a look at this one really quickly. And this is the book. So look, grab your affiliate link. Let's scroll down here. Look, again, you can potentially earn $311. And look, without a doubt, this book, by the way, it is awesome for learning about, running an online business, getting traffic into this and making money. It's great. Go ahead and get this yourself if you haven't got it. I highly recommend it. But yeah, I mean, ClickFunnels, as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, people think you have to be an active member to promote and share ClickFunnels. You don't. So you don't have to sign up and pay $100 a month to become an affiliate. You can sign up completely for free. And what I like about this platform here as well is, if we come back over to, oh, where's it gone? I think I've lost it. The sign up page as an affiliate, they are giving you all of the tools and the resources. They give you a free affiliate bootcamp. They give you the free ebook in the form of a PDF, and they walk you through, different ways that you can start promoting and sharing this. And it's absolutely free, so it won't cost you any money to get started with this. And as you've seen over here, there are many different products that you can start promoting, whether you want to work with brick and mortar stores, whether you want to look at giving away products for free, or even whether you want to start going down some of these different options down here. Network marketing. I mean, over on my Facebook, I see network marketers all of the time. So let's have a look at this one really quickly, because again, there could be something in here you could promote, or maybe people in a certain industry and you can promote it as well. So look, this one over here, look, it's free. So basically, look, network marketing secrets. This is free, but they pay you $1. So, you get someone to sign up to this completely for free, you're earning $1. Then they've got these additional upsells down here. So with this one here, look, $174 for every book you give away through your unique link. It's awesome. It's absolutely awesome. And look, email swipes, banner ads, and lots more. But look, this is just one way that you can make money giving away products for free. You also have things like CPA marketing, which we have spoken about in the past. And look, I've shared lots of articles over on the website. You can go over to Not Taught at School, just click on affiliate marketing. There's lots more resources in there for you. So that's today's video. If you've got any questions, let me know. And yeah, so do you like this method? Are you trying this, or are you actually doing this yourself? Are you going to give it a go? Let me know in the comments down below. So thanks again, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.